Good morning, adventurers. So we are off to the Magic Kingdom again because we only did a half day the other day. I missed out on Splash Mountain. I was very sad about that, but we're gonna try and do that first thing in the morning, see if we can't get it before the crowds start. Same thing with Big Thunder Mountain, and then we have some fast passes, and we'll try to get into a few of the lower wait time rides. King of the bus, king of the bus. It never gets old. So we're gonna start off the morning by going to the Main Street Bakery and get ourselves some breakfast. So inside there, it was extremely loud, like everybody was just talking very loudly. And as far the coffee, they come out very quickly, but the food is much slower. So be prepared to wait for a little bit. So we stopped at Main Street Bakery. I got the Mickey-shaped cinnamon bun. Preston got a blueberry muffin. Star got a coffee cake.
Do not touch your hair.
Julie also got a cinnamon bun. Sticky, sticky cinnamon buns. All right, so now that we've had our breakfast, we're gonna head over to Frontierland, see what the wait times are for Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain. So the wait time for Thunder Mountain says 45. We're gonna see what it actually is, because me and the girl child are raring to go. No drinking, fighting, or whistling. No kidding. I guess you can't whistle while you work. I would think that not biting the dynamite is would be common sense. Disney works so hard on their theming, and it is awesome. Ready to go, Julie? The camera is over here. Going through the belly of the mountain. Woo! Here we go! Yeah! Woo! Downhill! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Hey, possum family! Oh, there's a goat on top of that building. Oh. There's a nice view of the castle from here. Here we go! Billy goats! That was a little jump, yeah. All right, going into the mine. Oh boy! Woo! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Passing the fort. Oh, here we go again. Woo! Oh, Mr. Bones. And the geysers. What do you think, Julie? Yay! Yay! Okay. And we're done. So much fun, classic ride. Love to go on it. I'm so happy that my little girl goes with me, otherwise I'd be riding solo. So here it is. This is the next mountain to conquer, Splash Mountain. So we're in the queue for Splash Mountain. Now most of the queue is outdoors, but not to worry. It is fairly shady out here and they have plenty of fans running. And there is some theming to look at while you're waiting. Little bird house for Briar Bird. There's a big stew pot for cooking rabbit. You may get wet. Oh, look, they give out complimentary Ziploc bags now for Splash Mountains. Love this. They keep warning you, like you didn't know already. So I remember coming here back when Splash Mountain first opened, and I went with my family, and me and my dad, I think we waited almost 2 hours in line for Splash Mountain when it originally opened. Entering into the rabbit hole now, going underground. Here's Briar Frog. Tell us a story, Briar Frog. Yep, there's Briar Rabbit. Last chance to leave. You've been warned. Hey, Briar Frog. Here's the briar patch. See, we can see somebody coming down. Here they come. Whee! Water slide.
No, we don't go into the prickers, honey.
No, it just looks like it. They got soaked on the splash. Some critter elixir. Oh, look at all the veggies. They're growing some nice stuff. Muskrat moonshine. I don't think Briar Bear could fit in that little hole. Oh, we're about to go down Slippin' Falls. Here we go. Little hill. See, little. I'm pretty sure that sign says no fishing. What are you doing, Briar Goose? Oh, there's lots of people fishing here when they're not supposed to be. Oh, there's that sneaky Briar Fox and Briar Bear. Oh, I think he needs to read the book again. He didn't quite get that one right. To the laughing place. Porcupine? Oh, it's not Briar Porcupine? His butt is stuck. Look at that. His butt's stuck. Going down, no, going down the laughing place. Woo! Oh, that's smarts. Oh, you think it's funny, huh? Uh-huh. Everybody's laughing. Ha ha! Uh-oh, enter at your own risk. Watch out, beware. Pop-up gopher. Oh no, Briar Rabbit was laughing too hard and he got caught.
No, Red Fox, let me go!
It's the Briar Vultures. Very stylish with their top hats. Uh-oh, they're gonna cook them and roast them. Mmm. Uh-oh. Here we go! Woo! That was it. Good? Wave at all the people. Are you wet? You're wet. How was it? You're wet. It's wet. What was it? Fun? No. Oh. What about back here? Are you guys wet?
I'm drenched.
Drenched, Julie. How are you? You're drenched. You didn't like it? Oh.
She stuck her tongue out.
Okay, that's fine. I'm a little wet on my front, but otherwise, okay. Nice and cool though. Welcome home, Briar Rabbit. Zippity-doo-dah. Oh, look at that. They're stuck again. They spend a lot of time getting stuck. And now Briar Rabbit is happy to be back home.
It's actual. Everything is
Factual. It's the truth. It is actual. The ride is over, unfortunately. So afterwards, you empty out onto Splashdown Photos area. There's a little store here with some candy. There's an original ride poster. Very cool. A little checkerboard. Some old photo gear. Some chemicals on the shelves. Here's some Splash Mountain pressed penny machine down here in the gift shop. It's got a whole bunch of them. Wow, those are really cool. I do collect pressed pennies, so I love doing those. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any money with me this time. Here's a collectible Splash Mountain photo frame. Some Splash Mountain mugs. That's $19.99. Oh, that's very cute. Zippity-doo-dah shirt. $34.99. Here's the photo frames for sale. Those are $24.99. I would do that. That's worth it. That's a nice frame. Here's some prints. Briar Rabbit. Oh, Country Bears. And if your kid was brave enough to conquer Splash Mountain Falls, here is a little kid's Splash Mountain shirt. That's $19.99. Very cute. They even have towels. If you got really wet, I guess you could come down and buy yourself a nice towel to dry off with. And those are $26.99 each. $22 if you buy two. If you need to change your shoes, here's flip-flops. $14.99. So there's a little kids play area here right after the Splash Mountain, and that was the bribe to get them to go on it. They got to play in this play area for a few minutes. And then we have a picture opportunity here in front of Briar Bear and Briar Fox. So Splash Mountain, lots of fun, helps you cool down a little bit on these hotter days. The wait time was higher than we actually waited. I think they adjust the wait times pretty high around here. So, you know, if it says 40, you're probably gonna wait maybe 10 minutes less than what it says. Now, they have a Muppets show over in Liberty Square, and it's starting soon, so we're gonna try and get over and see the Muppets talking about history.
JJ, please remind everyone which great moment we are sharing today.
The Declaration of Independence!
Excellent! And now I will recite from memory the entire Declaration of Independence.
Oh, Kermit! What part will Mom be playing in today's performance?
Well, Piggy, this is a story about the founding fathers. There's no part for you.
No part for moi? Oh, we'll see about that.
Ben Franklin here. A penny saved is a penny earned. And if at first you don't succeed, then skydiving is definitely not the sport for you.
Let's hear it for your founding fathers!
That's you.
Right.
Debate.
Debate.
Point of view.
Opinion.
Says you.
Argument.
Point.
Counterpoint.
Order.
Needle point.
Order. I'll take 2 hot dogs with extra mayo.
A banana sounds appealing. Waka waka.
Okay, Sam.
Boo!
No King George! No King George! Come on, everyone! No King George! No King George! No King George! No King George!
Someone call moi?
Piggy, what are you doing here? I told you there's no part for you in this show.
Of course there is. After all, who better to play royalty than moi? All hail King George!
Piggy, women aren't kings, they're queens.
Fine! All hail Queen Georgette!
Good grief. King George, Queen Georgette, you are not a good ruler.
Who? What?
Yes, you. You mistreat the colonists. You raise taxes.
You are drunk with power.
You might even say she's intoxicated.
Okay, it's time to vote. JJ, if you please.
Right. All those in favor of declaring our independence from England and Queen Georgette say aye.
Aye!
The ayes have it. Let's declare our independence.
Yeah! Queen Georgette, it appears you lose.
Wait, what? I lose?
Well, sure, Piggy. You see, in the American Revolution, England loses, which means the king, or the queen, loses.
Excuse me? It is I, Georgette Washington, and I cannot tell a lie. I look fabulous! This is a
Nice outfit.
Guys, when Jefferson wrote the Declaration, it was more than a list of demands.
What?
Oh.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it was about things we all believe in. Things worth fighting for. Things that inspired the birth of a new nation.
Gee, Kermit, what do you mean?
Well, like the Declaration says, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are,
All together now.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Sam, why are you crying? I thought that was pretty good.
It wasn't good. It was glorious. Yeah!
Great moments in history. Great moments in history. Great moments in history.
But only the American
Great moments in history. But just the American hearts.
Thanks, everyone. We couldn't have done it without you.
So after the Muppets American History show, I wanted to go see the presidents, but I was overruled by everybody else who did not want to see it. So we're heading into Fantasyland. And the fairy godmother is out meeting over here behind the castle. So Fantasyland is always ridiculously busy because it's where all the little kids go. So we're gonna go in and see the PhilharMagic show, which I've actually never seen before, and the standby is only 15 minutes. So this is another Magic Eye movie, so I won't be able to film any of it because it just wouldn't come out looking very good. But I'll tell you all about it when we get out. So very cute little show. They went through some of the most popular songs, and it was all in 3D. I wish the stage moved like the Magic Eye Theater over in Epcot, but otherwise it was very cute. And now we're in the gift shop. So they have a whole selection of ball caps here. This one's nice, the Incredibles hat. I like that a lot.
But it doesn't come in your size.
That's $27.99. I got one that says Queen.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a nice one with Mickey and Walt in front of the castle. That's a classic. This is cool. Dead men tell no tales. And here's some Mickey ears. Here's Chewbacca, Wally ears. Some ears for Up and Stitch. Oh, here we go. Here's Jack Skellington. Very cool.
Juliet.
So it looks like all these ears are $24.99.
Juliet.
So here's a whole wall of ears. There's some special ones that I haven't seen yet.
How about you get one of these for me?
This is nice. Sally ears.
How about we get one of these for me, but not a shirt?
Yep. And Maleficent
Can I
ears.
not get a shirt? Can I get one of these mini ears?
Ears for Up.
They would rather you get a shirt that you're in my hair.
And of course, there's plenty of rose gold, millennial pink, and the purple potion.
Right here.
Here's some jasmine ears. Aladdin. Small World. These are so cute. So right now they're having the Move It, Shake It, Mouse It, Dance It parade. Love the outfits.
Come on, everybody.
Move it, shake it, Missy, dance it. Stroller dancing, buddy? All right, so it's time for our reservation. I think this is a good place to break the video. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's time to go find your own adventure, and I'll see you tomorrow.